Hi everybody, today I want to show you how we are using Traders Compounding Console. So today we're using my live account, a small account on $230 in here. But if you look at today's results, so if I go right click and just show you that it is today's results, we have made 168, so a good probably 150% return just in one day. And that's one of the beauties of leveraged accounts, which if you get right, you can compound and massively increase your account size. You can see the account size was less than a 100, and we're already at 230. And I just want to show you what we did today. So just give you an idea as to how we've done this. See, the first trade was gold. So if I show you gold, the first trade was this one here. You can see that in the 15-minute time frame, and then you see that again in the 5-minute time frame. Literally, I'm using this is my color change. I just want to show you that. So in the latest version, you can turn on and off the display panel. It's actually quite annoying having it there. So someone suggested that we have a way where we can disable it. So that's what we've done. So you can just right click on it, properties, and just take that off. Okay, and the key is the color change. So when it's above, and you can see, if you see all the candles above the green, that's a good place to get in. And I like to get in, after a pullback. So you see there's a pullback there, got close to the line, got in, and took out. Could have obviously rode that all the way up to the top here, but I saw that the RSI was near the top, so I was expecting it to move down at some point, but it did move up. So I took a very small amount of profit there. And then we did Aussie dollar. So let's look at Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar, that was there. That's the first one. That's the 5 minutes. And in 15 minutes, you can see that a bit more. On the 15 minutes, it dipped below and then went back up. And then when it dipped below and when it started to go back up, I bought. So I bought there, I got out at the top there. That's this one here. It kind of dipped and I got in. It did, unfortunately, as soon as I bought it, it went down a little bit, but it went straight back up. You see, I took that. Obviously, could have taken that a bit more, but took that. When you see a big move and it starts to leave the green line, at some point it will pull back. And I felt that it moved too quickly, so I took that up there. And there were the 3 trades. And because this is quite a small account, I couldn't get a real good compounding because it eats into the margin, but still a decent profit. And then I did USD Swiss. Let's have a look at that. USD Swiss, you can see we went short. This was it, red line, went down, bounced up, and started to move back down. So obviously pull back into a short. So sold, got out at the bottom. That's quite straightforward because both 5 minutes and 15 minutes were aligned. So it's always good if you get that alignment with the different charts, both showing that you're in a downtrend, and any pullbacks are really good times to enter. And if you get it wrong, you just make sure that your stop is right up here, so the stop can be really tight. And you can see that it did follow through, and we got a nice $45 there for those 3 trades. And then we got a whole bunch of trades on DE40, which is the DAX. That was a very nice one as well. You see, we went from red line and then we went a nice green. As it turned green, we bought in, we managed to compound it in a few times. Same thing here, went from green, and then as it turned, I bought, went up. Obviously, could have doubled my profits because it kept continuing to go up. Not sure why I got out. Maybe because it is a small account and got a little bit nervous. But you can see I've got a whole bunch of trades there, quite a few. And then finally 3 gold trades. Let's go back to gold. And this was pull back up and then down. And literally that little small profit there was these 3. It's gone down a hell of a lot more 5 times more. So I missed out on a massive profit, 5 times bigger than it should have been. So you can see it turned, went green, turned red, I got in, and I took that small bit, but that was still $50. That probably would have been maybe 200 if I left it. So yeah, I just want to show you how I've done that. This is the color change indicator, which you can get free if you're a Patreon member. Obviously, the Traders Compounding Console as well. You can get as part of your Patreon membership. This RSI down here. These arrows are the Bill Williams, which you get free. Don't really find them that useful, but I don't know. I just had them. I just like the look of them. So if you go insert indicators, you'll probably find them in here. Fractals, it's called. Okay, hope that helps.